Are you gonna?
And I lap somebody. I started losing control of my car. I didn't know what was happening. Yeah, it was here.
What? Hey everybody! So today was the day we were supposed to go to Colonial Raceway for the Take It to the Track thing. It's like a collaborative thing. They had asked us to make several different meet spots, and then we bring different groups up there. So that's what we were gonna do, but it looked like it was gonna rain. It's still supposed to rain, so they have postponed that event and going to Adrenaline Raceway. So if you don't know, Adrenaline Raceway is basically a go-kart track. Has a lot of other things there too. And I hope he's getting his car. But yeah, and it should be a fun time. So everybody who just was going to go to the racetrack is now going to the raceway to do go-karting. So should be fun. I'm gonna bring y'all along. Let's have some fun. Oh, you like my shirt? Look at him. So I already put tire in the air in the tire. So we're good to go. I had to jump the car as usual. I haven't taken this off yet. This is my first time driving it since SEMA. I told you, I really don't drive this car. So yeah, let's go. I just got stung by a bee. Burning. Oh, dude, I haven't got stung by a bee. Like, is it because my car looks like a flower? I don't know. All right, Marcus, move so I can jump in and go. Ah, fuck. 3, 2, 1. Oh shit. Oh my god. Get the fuck out of here. Go, 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 go. The bees are literally in the fucking car. Oh my god, the execution of that bee, I really admire. Look at the fan!
Your destination is on the right.
Way, what are you doing? Where are they going? Look at this guy. Who's this guy? I am too scared to reverse. Hey, should I? Nah, fuck that shit. That decision of should I not or should I? If there was a way I could pull in, I would just fucking pull in. And I can't. Can you ask him if he bought the
jump box?
Yeah. No, did he bring it?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna reverse then.
What are you waiting?
My car shuts off if I reverse, and I was making sure you had the jump box.
Okay.
Yeah, that's all. All right, I'm about to park. Successful parking. Hi.
Hey, sweetness.
Hi.
Okay.
Alyssa with her dad. She's going to the go-kart camp next week.
I got y'all.
Where we going?
Really?
Yeah. Yay.
That's a good question.
Oh, thank you. Look at that.
That's a good
Right outside. Hey, what's up? How you doing?
I like the song you're listening to.
Hi, baby. Hi.
They don't even know each other.
What's up, man?
How's it going?
Good.
How you doing?
Good.
Yeah.
Yo, I think we're winning. Free Slurpee Day and 50 cents off every gallon of gas.
Yeah.
What?
What?
Okay.
Adrenaline Raceway is on the right.
Oh, thanks, yeah.
What's up, lady?
Hi. We have arrived. Yay. Some person here. Hey. I'm about to say I think there's 17 of us.
17?
Yeah.
Everybody has the waiver filled out?
I sent it to them. I don't know if they did it, you know. I didn't know how that goes.
I did do mine.
You did yours? Let me get the rest of them.
Y'all paying separate or together?
It's gonna be separate. Where'd y'all go? Yeah, see, this is on camera.
Now let's do some Go-Kart.
Did you praise the Lord?
Yes, I always praise.
I'm gonna grab that one. It's gonna be a while. Did you do your waiver online?
No.
I sent it into the Discord. So basically, they're gonna ask you to come. Let's go in. I don't want to waste days.
If you want to do a bundle, that's 2 races for the same person for $45.99. Each race is about 25 to 30 laps around.
Did you do your waiver yet? All right.
We would teach them how to do proper way to drive. I mean, to drive a go-kart.
Looking for a peace of mind. I've been trying to redefine life. I can see the signs, word is going, see me shine. Fighting for my soul, say, whipping fast, no brakes. Nothing's ever been a waste. Now that I've been wide awake, Luke's trying to pull me back in. I was done for a minute and forgot the passion. Since the lights turned on, it's been camera action. And you started seeing it all like
Dang,
a
you like a YN.
Why should I be here? Swear that I'ma find my way. Past been on, I'ma watch it all fade. Whoa, guess I'm going in my head. From everybody's problems. Oh, guess I'm locked in, guess I'm locked in. I got this, and it's on my soul.
Oh yeah, we there.
I'm locked in, guess I'm locked in. I got this, and that's on my soul. Time's moving, I've been losing track of where I've been. Tired of the voices.
Yeah, I heard John. Yeah. If you're the only John. It's official. YN. Oh wait, y'all cover your mouth too, don't y'all?
Right. There you go. There you go.
YN.
You gotta look a little sinister when you say it.
You gotta look a little.
You gotta look a little.
Got it. What's her name again?
Tatiana.
She's family for you?
We kind of adopted her.
Be nice.
You said be nice. You said be nice.
All right, Rob. Let's go.
Woo!
Where's Kayla? Thank you. Who did something already?
What? Ooh.
You better pass him.
Dang, they turn it up higher faster with them.
I don't think I used the brake that much. Marcus hit Tatiana. See that?
He hit her. Ooh, shit. Ooh, I got that on camera. I got that one. Hold on.
Who was it?
It was. Ooh, shit.
Tatiana?
She
Oh,
crashed
Kayla?
into her. Poor Tatiana. Oh my god. I hope my PTSD don't kick in.
We didn't have any, not too many contacts in our race.
No. What are you trying to say?
I'm just saying. My main goal for my whole race is not hitting this person in front of me. Oh yeah, we can rock and forth late.
You had the best lap.
Thank you. She laughed. Y'all about to be booted.
What they doing?
They've been so aggressive this whole race.
I mean, wait, who's racing right now? Okay, Marcus is racing. Kayla's racing. Is that Joe? Wait, did they just boot him out?
No, they done. It's like, you know. Wait, Kayla won? That y'all, that's what I'm saying. Y'all are so aggressive.
I was like, what do I do? I don't know what I do.
Are you okay? Because I feel like they were bullying you. They were bullying you the whole time. Yeah, that's crazy.
Oh, you're on the next race.
Oh, I am.
I still want to know how I ended up in fifth place. I thought
Dang, I gotta start in 6th place.
You keep throwing up at number 1.
I told y'all.
Are you gonna take a picture on the podium?
And I lapped somebody.
Oh, you got 2 laps. So.
I started losing control of my car. I didn't know what was happening. Yeah, it was weird.
What? The reactions.